Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Crafted, the place where passion meets performance and dreams turn into horsepower. Today we're diving into something absolutely wild, something that feels like it just escaped from the future and landed straight onto the asphalt. We're talking about the 2026 Ferrari F80, a car that doesn't just push the limits of speed and design but completely redraws them. So buckle up, turn up the volume, and let's take a deep ride into one of the most insane Ferraris ever imagined. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Ferrari F80 is that it doesn't look like it's from this planet. The design language is extreme, low, stretched, and sculpted purely by aerodynamics and aggression. It sits incredibly low to the ground, almost like it's glued to the pavement, and the proportions scream performance from every angle. Ferrari has always been about emotion and beauty, but the F80 takes that DNA and injects it with a dose of futuristic madness. Every surface has a purpose, every sharp edge guides the air, and every vent looks like it's hungry for speed. Walk around the front and you're greeted with a razor-sharp nose that slices through the wind. The headlights are sleek and minimal, integrated into aerodynamic channels that seem to carve out the front fascia. Instead of looking like traditional lamps, they feel like eyes, focused and angry, staring ahead at the road with pure intent. Massive air intakes dominate the front, not just for cooling but to feed the beast under the hood and push air efficiently around the car's body. The hood is sculpted, with creases and channels that remind you this is less of a car and more of a land-bound jet. Move along the side and the drama doesn't stop for a single second. The body is long, lean, and muscular. Deep aerodynamic cutouts along the doors create this floating panel effect, almost like the body is being pulled back by the force of its own speed. The wheel arches are pronounced and powerful, housing huge performance tires wrapped around lightweight alloy or carbon wheels. Every element along the side of the Ferrari F80 seems to lean forward, as if the car is already in motion, even when it's completely still. The rear of the car is a whole new story of aggression. Instead of a simple tail section, you get an open, race-inspired rear end that shows off the engineering beneath. A massive diffuser dominates the back, sculpted to channel the airflow at high speeds and keep the car planted to the ground. The taillights are slim and dramatic, like streaks of red heat. The exhaust layout looks engineered for both aesthetics and brutality, hinting at a sound that is going to shake walls and set off car alarms without even trying. The rear wing treatment blends beautifully into the bodywork, giving downforce without ruining the visual harmony of the design. Everything back here says one thing: this machine was built to own the track and then cruise the street like royalty. Now let's talk about the heart of the animal. Ferrari is known for its V12 symphonies, its high-revving engines, and the emotional soundtracks they create. With the 2026 Ferrari F80, the brand moves deeper into the world of hybrid hyper-performance. Imagine a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, delivering mind-bending power figures and instant torque. The combination creates not just acceleration but violence in motion. From 0 to 60 feels less like driving and more like being launched. The electrification isn't here to tame the car, it's here to enhance it, giving you explosive power at any moment while still allowing the brand to evolve into the future. But performance isn't just about power. It's about control, precision, and connection. The F80 chassis is built around lightweight materials, like carbon fiber and advanced composites. Weight reduction has been pushed to extreme levels so the car feels razor-sharp and responsive. The suspension works like magic, keeping the car locked to the road while still transmitting pure sensation to the driver. You don't just steer it. You wear it, you feel every corner, every change in grip, every surge of acceleration as if the car is an extension of your nervous system. Inside the cabin, things get even more intense. Open the scissor or butterfly-style doors, depending on configuration, and you're greeted by a cockpit that resembles a fighter jet more than a traditional car interior. It's driver-centered to the extreme. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing you to switch driving modes, engage hybrid systems, and command the car's personality without ever lifting your hands. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, presenting information like speed, revs, battery status, and driving dynamics in real time. It feels futuristic, minimal, and incredibly focused on performance. The seats are sculpted for support, hugging you tightly during high-speed cornering. Rich Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and contrast stitching remind you that luxury is still very much alive, even in a machine that is built primarily for raw speed. Every surface, every button, every detail inside the Ferrari F80 is there for a reason. There's no excess. There's only purpose, precision, and passion. Driving the F80 is not just transportation. It's an experience that rewires your brain. Switch to track mode and the car sharpens instantly. The throttle response becomes razor quick. The steering tightens up. The exhaust note turns into an angry roar that echoes through tunnels and bounces off city walls. Hit the accelerator and you're pinned to the back of your seat. Corners feel like opportunities rather than obstacles. The aerodynamic features work together to keep the car planted as speeds climb into the insane zone. It's the kind of performance that demands respect, the kind of car that reminds you why people fall in love with driving. But it's not all aggression. Dial things back into comfort mode and the hybrid system allows quieter operation, smoother cruising, and better efficiency. You can glide through city streets, attract every stare, and still feel composed. The F80 proves that futuristic performance cars don't have to lose soul. They can evolve, become cleaner, smarter, and still be completely intoxicating to drive. Technology in the 2026 Ferrari F80 is everywhere you look, but it's blended so seamlessly you don't feel distracted by it. Advanced traction control, torque vectoring, and real-time driving dynamics work behind the scenes to give you confidence, whether you're carving up mountain roads or launching down straightaways. The infotainment setup is streamlined, focused on navigation, performance data, and connectivity without turning the car into a rolling tablet. Ferrari keeps the experience about driving first and everything else second. On the road, the F80 turns into a magnet for attention. Smartphones come out. People slow down just to stare. Kids point. Adults try to catch one more glimpse. It's not just a supercar, it's a rolling piece of art, a statement of power, engineering, and ambition. It represents where Ferrari is headed, toward electrified performance while staying true to its heritage of passion and speed. For collectors and enthusiasts, the F80 feels like one of those cars destined to become a legend. A future classic before it even hits the road, the type of machine people will talk about decades from now. Limited production, extreme technology, dramatic design, and the badge of the prancing horse all combine into something unforgettable. It's the kind of car you don't just buy. You dream about it, you chase it, you put its poster on your wall, just like the Ferraris that inspired us when we were kids. So what does the 2026 Ferrari F80 really mean? It means the hypercar era is far from over. It means speed and emotion still matter in a world moving toward electrification. It shows that Ferrari refuses to be boring, refuses to be predictable, and refuses to let go of the thrilling connection between driver and machine. The F80 feels like a promise from Ferrari that the future will still make your heart race, your hands sweat, and your soul wake up when you push the start button. As we wrap up, let me ask you this. If you had the chance to drive the 2026 Ferrari F80, where would you take it first? Track day, long empty highway at sunrise, or straight through the city just to watch jaws drop? Tell me in the comments, because I'd love to know how you'd unleash this monster. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari F80, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Crafted, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews, hypercar features, and automotive dreams brought to life. Your support keeps this channel growing and allows us to keep bringing you the wildest machines on the planet. Thanks for watching, thanks for riding along with me, and I'll see you in the next one right here on Car Crafted, where every car has a story and every story is powered by passion.